This is the venue they chose for their fake auditions for an advert for lip balm.
We're hoping that we can use part of this in a national commercial, right? And this is a test on some lip balms that we have over here.
Okay.
And these are our models who are going to help us, Roger and Matt.
Okay.
And we have our own lip balm, and we have a leading brand.
Okay.
Would you have any problem kissing our models to test it? You wouldn't?
No.
You think that was fine?
That would be fine.
Okay. So that this is a blind test, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and put a blindfold
Okay.
on. Okay, now can you see anything?
No.
Hold up so you can't even see down.
Okay.
It's completely blind now,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Now what I'm going to be looking for in this test is how soft it makes your lips, okay, the texture, right, and maybe if you can discern any flavor or not.
Okay.
Have you ever done a kissing test before? Are you excited? Take one step in. Okay, now I'm going to ask you to pucker up big and lean in just a little bit, okay? Okay. All right. Okay. And Jennifer, how did that feel?
Good.